everyone, it's Gagajoy. Today I'm just going to make baked vegetables. I probably have too many out here, but I love it. I love to do these, and just especially now that all the fresh vegetables are in, I just love to sit down and make a meal of fresh vegetables. Actually, I've got friends that will, that's all they eat on summer's fresh vegetables. I'm not quite that dedicated, but I do love fresh vegetables. And I'm just cutting them up, all about the same size. And I have to take some out and put them in another pan, because I'm sure I'll have company this evening. My little ones will be over, and they love them too. And of course, squash. I love my squash. I've got my oven on 400. I should put this in here. I'm going to put them in this bowl and put olive oil on before I put it in the pan. It makes it easier for mulling it covered like that. That's just my way. A crazy way, I guess. I tell you, my squash do nothing this year. This is a store-bought squash, and it breaks my heart. I got one squash, and I mean, it just rained and been so hot. It just seemed like it, I don't know, just didn't catch up with it. Let's put a couple like this. Now, I've washed all my vegetables before I come on, and I got a lot of them cut up, but you know, I don't want other people's hands on my vegetables. I wish it was just my hands. Just not my ear. It might be my life's garden because I've been so aggravated. But I've seen beautiful gardens this year. So it's not, as the old saying goes, the sun don't shine on everybody at the same time. It wasn't my turn. I'm going to put some olive oil on. Squash them around here. Although my herbs did good this year. They're just all over the place. And that's what I like. When they get to be a certain size, I just freeze them. Still can enjoy them. What's your favorite vegetable this time of year? Besides corn, I guess. Corn is not around here either. I mean, there's corn around here, of course. But the markets are there with corn. They don't have any. So, another season. Our biggest aggravation right now is bear. They drive us insane. My grandson has put all kinds of new developments up to keep them out of the garbage cans. It doesn't help. If you could see some of the catastrophes that he's been through, of course I'm not the only people. We did have one, a bear that hurt one person here in town. But I've seen, they must be overpopulated this year. I have seen so many dead bear beside the road. So something definitely has gone wrong with somewhere. Let's look at these and see. And also there's a lot of, I call raping the forest here, so it's quite possible that they have taken the bear's habitat. That's not fair either, but at the same time, it's not fair that we have to have the bears and fight them. Actually, my grandson does my trash and stuff for me, and it's a fight for him anymore. Just to get for one day, and we even put our stuff in the, I put, if this were going up, I saved coffee cans and things like that to put in, so it doesn't. Well, I definitely have. I'm gonna have to have another pan. I don't think they'll cook real good if I don't. I tried sweet potato this week, and sweet potatoes is not good. Now, you may love it. I'm saying this for me, but sweet potatoes just don't do good like this. So I'm going to put them in the oven for about 20 minutes, and about 10 minutes I'll just put some salt on it. Pink salt, of course, when you can. A little Creole. Just a little. And I think I pretty well got enough olive oil on it. Might use a little bit more when I turn it. Well, let's see, we've got cauliflower, corn, potatoes, broccoli, tomatoes, peppers, onions, and squash. And we're going to cook them. And let's see, we've got cauliflower, more squash. I love the squash. Now, I've got a big lunch here, and I'm thankful for it. I'm thankful for all the farmers who grew it. And I'll put a little bit more vinaigrette on it, on mine. And I'll let everybody else put vinaigrette on theirs when they can. Well, it's been a real good day. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And I'll see you soon. Bye.